How to pay with Affirm on Wayfair. To pay with Affirm on Wayfair, you have to select it as your payment method during checkout to split your purchase into fixed monthly installment or bi-weekly payment. Open your Wayfair app onto your device, log into your account. You can then simply add in the product that you wish to pay with Affirm. So you just go ahead and open the product page and add it to your cart. Here I'm gonna add this product. As I've added the product, I then need to tap onto the cart sections and you could just go ahead and select proceed to checkout. There you will be able to find this billing address. You have to quickly enter in all the informations. Next, you will need to go ahead and select payment method. So under the payment section, you have to choose Wayfair Financing or look for the Affirm logo directly. Enter your mobile number and follow the prompt for a quick eligibility check. Now this is a soft credit pull and will not affect your credit scores as well. And if approved, you will see various payment options like 3, 6, 12 or up to 36 months. Then you could simply go ahead and select the plan that best fits your budget. Then you could go ahead and review your monthly payment amount and total interest, if any, and you could confirm the terms or to finalize your order as well. So this is how you're supposed to pay with the Affirm on Wayfair. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.